If they bend, they can regenerate. When you look at this, and here's the facts. All the structures in the body are continually regenerating. And so if you've had a past trauma, or you have altered foot mechanics or altered calf mechanics, that's going to create an unstable pelvis. So every joint is only around 7 to 8 years old. The problem is, as we age, we produce less stomach acid, and then we're not going to be able to get the amino acids from those proteins to build the healthy structures. So low stomach acid is huge. Now you can a huge contributing factor of poor regeneration as we age. So we can change that by pre-digesting the food. So we're talking fermented foods, bone broth, collagen. All of these things are broken down and easier to get the amino acids from. So once you solve the nutrition, then look at sleep pattern change. Look at our sleep restriction video, because that's when the body regenerates. Look to stabilize the pelvis, but you got to look at the entire structure. So as long as your chiropractor is looking at your cervical spine, your thoracic spine, your lumbar, your pelvis, the biomechanics of the foot, you fix everything then, and those knees bend, then absolutely they can regenerate, and they regenerate quickly. Do not do the exercises unless you are sleeping good, you've had your pelvis checked, you've had the biomechanics checked for the foot, the calf functioning, all of that stuff, because when you start walking again, it's going to be a little off. Now, we just did a knee rehab video. I'm going to give you another suggestion on that. So once you're addressing the entire body, beautiful. When you're swinging, and you're going to see there's an exercise putting a weight on an ankle, and the chiropractor is going to tell you whether it should be a 5, 10, 15, 20-pound weight based on your body strength, the size, and the structures involved. But what I want you to do, I want you to, with the weights, you're just going to be dangling your legs. You may find out that it's hard to swing them even. What I want you to do is just tap something. Okay, very, very lightly. And you're going to be tap, tap, tap. And this is going to send more sensory input into the brain and can help with balance issues and everything else. So this is the knee regeneration, and knee rehab can help with balance. It can help with a lot because you're changing that sensory input to the brain.